my girlfriend believes that our 3-year-old son and I are looking at a used 4-wheeler. She's gonna come pick it up in our truck. What she doesn't know is that it's fully remote control. Are you ready? Yep. Mommy's gonna like it? Yeah, okay. When Mommy comes up, we're just gonna talk to her, okay? What's up? Say hi, Mom! Hi! Oh, man.
They're really stinky.
What?
It's stinky.
What do you think? It's not bad. It's $1,500. It'd be a blast this winter. Mom. I mean, probably need some new tires. Hey, yeah. Do you like it? Should we get it? You tell Mommy, say, I want it. Did you bring the check?
Yeah. Mom.
Awesome. Give me a kiss. No.
You want it to have this red thing on it? And the net? You like the net?
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey, come here, Kane.
Hey, show me how you drive it.
Kane, come here. Go, wah.
Let me see.
He loved it. You should have seen him. All right, should Mommy go get the checkbook? Ready?
Do you want me to write it, or do you want to?
Huh?
Do you want me to write it?
No, I don't know who to write it out to.
Okay.
But hey, I love you.
Love you more. All day.
Okay, wait for it. Oh, here. Get the truck, okay? Go get the truck. $2,500, right? I'm taking these on. You want me to start it? Yeah? Alright, here you go. You love it? Oh my God, we're gonna have so much fun with it. Huh? Babe, stop! Don't! Hey, honey! Oh my God! Oh my God!
It's not funny.
I know.
That is not funny.
It's kind of funny. Oh no! I'm sorry.
You don't touch me. I'm done. I'm done, honey. I can't do it.
There's Kane right there.
I cannot do it.
There's Kane. You still love me, right?